So today, a lot of things happened. I went on the boat, and after a short time tubing, the boat died. So, we spent about probably an hour and a half starting and stopping it, trying to figure out what was wrong. Some people helped us eventually after like an hour and a half, like I said. And we got it working again to get back to the dock. But that was a pain in the butt, and it wasn't very much fun, truthfully. What else? Oh yeah, and then I went home, take a shower, etc. And then my mom calls me, and I'm like, okay, what's going on? So when they were taking the boat back to the place where we keep it, the boat trailer got a flat tire. So now me and my brother had to go fill up the air compressor, then go fill up the tire. Also, the Yukon, which is what we used to tow the boat trailer, overheated. So we had to go get water and a new tire for that. And it was just one of those days where everything went wrong, you know? And it was just kind of crazy. So there will be some clips at the end of this little thingy of a little bit of what happened today. Because it was such a weird day, it was kind of hard to film. But yeah, it was a weird day. Vlogging while I'm driving is always a bad idea. Always a bad idea. While I'm driving. Always a bad idea. Vlogging while I'm driving is always a bad idea. Bad idea, bad idea. Bad idea, bad idea. Bad. Skirts and boots and skirts and boots and skirts and boots and skirts and boots and skirts and skirts and boots and skirts and boots. You can't do that.